Hey y'all, my name Dangerous Nathan. I got some stories to tell, but I ain't gonna go into none of them stories right now. I just want y'all to try to get what I'm trying to tell you. You look at my background and you might know this here's background for Cash Coach Clay. Now he kind of my partner, but since I ain't going into no detail right now. I just want to let you know what he planning on doing. He planning on putting something together. Well, he ain't just planning on it, he's doing it. He's putting something together for his real friend and associates. There's people who think like him, they gonna be positioned for us. All right. So we're gonna position everybody first who you might notice all these circles around me. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can't see one, it's behind my head. Anyway, two and three, them three, 1, 2, and 3. Them is the main ones. Everything else branch up off of them two. I mean them three. All right. So so 1, 2, 3, and two got 4 and 6. You can't see six, it's over my right shoulder. Uh, Six is that big circle over my right shoulder. And three got 5 and 7. You see the five, but the 7 is down on my left shoulder, behind my left shoulder, right? But that's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. It's called Concept Team 7. And that's where we build from right there. All right. So it's gonna be just a 7 minute video at the most. Might be able to cut it down less than 7 minutes. We're gonna break it up in pieces. We're gonna talk about one thing each time. Just trying to show you the basic structure right now. All right. So here we go. Here we go. We got M3 that's made 7. All right. Now, now the 7 is called Concept Team 7. So everybody who gets involved gonna have the same set of circles behind them. Everybody who get involved is the number one member on their team. What you're looking at here is a master of the whole first 49, the first team of 49. That's every state located in the continental United States. That's 48 of them. And the 49th one is going to be at Washington, D.C. That includes Alaska and Hawaii. I shouldn't say it's going to be. It's done being. It's done being for decades, all right? I so Cash Coach Clay been working on this thing for 20 some years, and he got a whole lot accomplished, and he got a whole lot of ideas about how we gonna do this thing. Big thing is all about being moral. It's all about being ethical, and it's all about being legal. So we're gonna make sure that we don't do nothing that's not legal, and long as we got a product to sell, it's gonna be dead on the money. Now he talking about trying to get some LLCs put together, and he's got some Lord of mercy, he got some amazing little ladies working with him. Anyway, anyway, we about 4 minutes into this thing now, and I gotta start wrapping up. But the next show, the next video, we're going to be talking about what we doing. These 48, 49 locations, they all going to be phone stations. What's a phone station? A phone station? I'll show you that in the next one. It's really a WCNM Family Business Center, and it's basically a phone station in the beginning. All you're going to have in the beginning is one of our people working for you. We try to get you started out with a visionary volunteer. That way we hold down expenses. People who got the vision, people who can comprehend what we're doing here. We not asking folk for no whole lot of money. We just asking for a little bit of money. A little bit one time. And if you want to make something out of it, you just make something out of it. It's just that simple. We give you lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of ideas. So I'm gonna begin to wind this one here down. And I just wanted to introduce Concept Team 7. We're gonna show you our progress a little bit at the time. The month of March, what's this here? This October. It's got 31 days, and we hope to show you 31 positions filled by the end of this month. Ain't costing no money to get a position, but positions, one thing. A WCNM Family Business Center, that's another thing. And we all working them through one set of staff, one staff. We got 7 members of the team, 7 staff members. We got action agents, we got personal assistant, we got each team. 1 action agent, 1 personal assistant, 1 team coordinator, right? Now we got 2 information specialists and 2 visionary volunteers. There's your 7-member team, and that's the way we doing it right here, right now in October 2023. Come November, we're going to have a real special program coming up on 7 Minutes. Thank you for listening. We're going to do it again with a little bit of a different background. Take care. See you in the next round, baby.